There's a new Instagram feature available which allows you to add different layouts to your reels. So you can have multiple videos, multiple photos, all in one shot. Let me show you in this video.
Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, an educational video producer based in Vancouver, Canada.
I teach you how to film yourself so you can film once to teach many. If you want to leverage your expertise to make money, then make sure to subscribe to my channel because I have new videos every Wednesday. You know you have this feature available if when you enter Reels and you look at your menu on the side, you'll see this square with, it's like square with like 2 squares in it, 3 squares in it. It's the new layout feature. So I can click on that and it's going to allow me to change the grid. So I can see which grid I currently have. I can press change grid and I can change it to one of these 6 options. So let's say, for example, I want to do this one. Now, once I select the grid that I want to use, I can see which window is active, the window that I'm currently filming in, by seeing which one is solid. The dark one, that's not going to be currently filming, so anything in that dark side isn't going to currently show. I can also, when I'm recording myself in this, I can zoom in. I can't get wide because my camera here doesn't allow me to get wide, but when I switch to my rear camera, which does allow me to go wider, it will allow me to go as wide as possible. So that just depends on which camera you're using. And so there we go, I can film this. So let's film the first clip. I'm just gonna hold down and here we go, we're filming. So now you see that one's done and this is now solid. So I can film that second clip. When I film with audio, the audio from both clips is going to show. So if I film it again and watch as I press down, let me zoom in. That looks awkward. There we go, zoom in, I'm just gonna go, yay! Okay, so when I push down, I can see the bar up top, and as the red bar goes through, I can see how far it's going to film it. So there we go. If I don't like that clip, I can press the X, and then it's gonna allow me to discard the last clip or discard all of the clips. So let's do that again. This is a horrible reel, so I wouldn't actually use this, but there we go. So say I'm happy with this and I love it, I could just press that check mark there. It's gonna process the video and then it's going to have that video for me. Another way I can do this is I can add existing footage to this. So let's go back there, let's keep the same layout. And if I want to add something for my camera roll, all I do is swipe up. Here's a fun shot of me celebrating posting my 100th YouTube video. It's a little long, there we go, I can add that. So you can see I can add that to the side. However, I can't zoom in and out. If I zoom in and out, it's gonna affect just this. It's not going to allow me to zoom in and out of that existing clip. So I can film this. Oh my God, look how awesome that is, yay! It's only gonna film the duration of the clip of that last clip so that they match up together. It's not going to let you film longer in the new clip. So if I like that, there we go. I can also add photos. So let's do the layout again, and let's do this one. I'm gonna talk in the first one. Here are some of my favorite photos from last summer. So now I can swipe up. See, when I go into the photo, I can't zoom in and out. I can just change the duration. So you don't really have control of how it's going to add it. So it doesn't always work out. It could work out. There, I can process that video, it's gonna add it. The only thing I'm limited here is I can't add just images. So say this grid and I add this image and then I add this image here. It's not going to let me process it. See, it's gonna say that there's an error. There needs to be a video in one of the clips that you add for it to be able to work. So let's discard that latest one. I can do whatever, I could And so I can record up to the duration of that image, the 5 seconds that I have on there, and I can talk about it. It is very limiting when you do add your existing clips because you can't still change where they're gonna appear, so it doesn't always look the best, and I hope Instagram updates this, but for now it's still a fun feature to play around with, and it's something to get used to, so another thing from Instagram. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, or better yet, leave me a comment below. I have new videos out each and every week. Until next time, peace!